Poco has once again raised the bar with the Poco F7 Ultra, delivering flagship-level specs at an aggressive price point. Featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite Chipset, a high-resolution triple-camera setup, a massive 6,000 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging, and an immersive display, this smartphone is built for users who demand unmatched performance, top-tier photography, and long-lasting battery life. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Poco F7 Ultra a true game-changer. The Poco F7 Ultra boasts a sleek and modern design, with a premium glass back and an aluminum frame that not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures durability. The phone is available in 3 stunning color options: Obsidian Black, a deep matte finish for a classic look; Glacier Blue, a striking icy blue shade for a refreshing aesthetic; Cyber Silver, the futuristic metallic design that stands out. Weighing approximately 210 grams, the device maintains a solid and sturdy feel while still being comfortable to hold. With an IP68 rating, the Poco F7 Ultra is dust-proof and water-resistant, making it an excellent companion for everyday adventures. For an immersive visual experience, the Poco F7 Ultra is equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that features a 2K resolution, 3200 by 1440 pixels, for ultra-sharp details and vibrant colors. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, animations, scrolling, and gaming feel exceptionally smooth and responsive. Additional display features include HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support ensures deep blacks, punchy colors, and true-to-life contrast. 1800 nits peak brightness provides excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. 360 Hz touch sampling rate delivers instantaneous touch response for a seamless gaming experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply browsing, the Poco F7 Ultra's display offers a flagship-level viewing experience. At the heart of the Poco F7 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on a cutting-edge 4nm process for superior efficiency and raw power. The chipset features octa-core CPU with clock speeds up to 3.4 GHz for unmatched speed, Adreno 750 GPU, delivering ultra-smooth graphics and enhanced gaming performance, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast app launches and seamless multitasking. This powerful combination ensures that the Poco F7 Ultra can handle intensive gaming, video editing, and multitasking with zero lag. The Poco F7 Ultra is equipped with a versatile triple-camera system, designed for pro-level photography and videography, 50MP main sensor featuring OIS, optical image stabilization, and AI enhancements for ultra-clear shots in all lighting conditions. 50MP telephoto lens, 2.5x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant subjects, with sharp details and minimal distortion. 32MP ultra-wide lens expands the frame to capture breathtaking landscapes and group shots. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera ensures crystal-clear selfies and high-quality video calls, making it a great choice for content creators and social media enthusiasts. With features like 4K video recording, AI night mode, and cinematic filters, the Poco F7 Ultra is designed to let you capture the world in stunning detail. A high-performance phone demands a powerful battery, and the Poco F7 Ultra delivers with a massive 6,000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, you won't have to worry about running out of power. The charging speeds are equally impressive. 120W wired charging charges 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. 50W wireless charging. Enjoy fast and hassle-free wireless charging. With intelligent battery optimizations, the Poco F7 Ultra ensures extended longevity and efficiency. Running on HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, the Poco F7 Ultra offers a lightweight and fast UI with plenty of customization options. Key software features include AI-powered optimizations for smoother performance, Game Turbo mode for enhanced gaming controls and performance boosts, advanced security features to protect your data. HyperOS 2 is refined, fast, and optimized for both gaming and everyday usage, making the Poco F7 Ultra's experience seamless and intuitive. The Poco F7 Ultra is a power-packed flagship killer that offers high-end performance, stunning display quality, a premium camera system, and exceptional battery life. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a high-resolution triple camera setup, and a blazing fast 120W charging system, it stands as one of the best flagship alternatives in 2025. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, the Poco F7 Ultra is an excellent choice. Are you excited about the Poco F7 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more smartphone news, leaks, and in-depth reviews. Stay tuned for the next one.